Oh, okay. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Oh, that was a really long and difficult launch. It is ridiculously windy outside. Winds gusting around 40 kilometers an hour, so I had to look for something. I had to look for a place that was a little smaller. Well, this is actually a really big lake, but I'm at a little small section of the lake, which is a little bit more closed off. It'll be a little bit more manageable for me. I really wanted to get out and get out fishing. I would have went on the bigger side, even when the waves are white capsing a little bit, but I would have only went with, if I was with a group of brave men and women. I wouldn't go by myself. But yeah, I'm at a little safe section. It is windy, but at least the water is smooth. I'm not dealing with big white caps. This place is beautiful. I'm just gonna show you guys a really beautiful view here. This is it. This is how beautiful the place is. Very windy. Oh, and the wind is blowing me sideways here. All right, so I just cast my line out. It's just a brined minnow on a drop shot. So I'm just gonna let it soak in the water, see how it goes. Hopefully we'll catch something. I don't really have the highest hopes right now. But you never know, we'll see. I'm the only guy out here because I'm the only crazy one. But I'm just gonna have lunch while I wait. I'll show you guys exactly what I'm having here. It is delicious, well, I hope. I've had it before. Lumberjack sandwich I purchased from Save on Foods. $6.79. Can't go wrong with that. Pretty good price for a big thick sandwich. Oh, this looks so good. I don't even know what's inside it. I'm just gonna eat it. But yeah, let's give it a go. See how the first bite is. Because that is delicious. Amazing. I was just changing spots here. I was gonna go through all this brush and weeds just to see what's inside. And this lure was so flashy. Someone lost this Len Thompson right here. Someone lost this lure. Still has a leader on it. Wow. All I have to do is change out this treble hook, then it'll be good. I'll just throw this in the back for now. There we go. Okay. First fish of the day. Let's see. Oh, this is exciting. Oh. It's a nice little walleye. As soon as I cast it down, he hooked onto it right away. Oh, there we go. This was on a drop shot rig. Beautiful little guy. Let's get him unhooked. I'll show you guys the fish. I'm just gonna untangle this. There we go. As soon as I cast it down, he hammered it immediately. Beautiful guy. Amazing looking. Look at that. That was exciting. It was a tough day. Hooked on a real nice walleye. He was nice and girthy. So I'm pretty happy about that. Yeah. Oh, don't tell me he's stuck in the weeds now. Try and pull the other. Oh, there we go. Holy cow. Okay, now that I got him untangled, let's put this rod aside. Not too big, not a huge guy or anything, but he sure is a beautiful specimen. Let's get him back in the water here. That was exciting. All right, everyone, that's it for today. It was a windy day today. Only had like a few bites here and there, nothing too crazy. That one walleye was actually not bad. Fairly decent girth to him. It's quite difficult to to fish. Luckily I had an anchor with a trolley system, so this kayak came with it when I bought it. Previous owner installed it, and it made it so convenient. But that's the end of the day for me. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell. I would greatly appreciate it.